J&A Review, and today we're at Great American RV right here in Tupelo, Mississippi. Now, we haven't seen one of these in a long time, I think since we first started. But we're going to show one of this one today. It's a 2025 Dutchmen Astoria, model number 3173RLP. So let's get started. The length on this Astoria is 35 feet 11 inches. The dry weight is 10,375 with a hitch weight of 2,299 with a grand total GVWR of 12,000 pounds.
Yeah, like you said, it has been probably at least 3 years since we have shown this particular unit to you guys, so we were excited to see it and show you some of the updates on it. We'll start up here just like we always do. Now this is going to have the Kurt Rotoflex on it. Up here at the front, your spare is going to be in the front. Your inverter prep is in here, and of course your batteries will also go in here.
And you've got, you've got a 30-ounce solar controller, so you do have a panel on top. I don't know how much, so you'd have to call the dealership. And you also come with Tarlink.
Yes, prep for Tarlink.
Inverter prep. I mean, this is cool.
Yeah, so this one is ready for sure.
Coming out?
Yeah.
Okay.
And here is one of your propane bottles. And your storage area here. Yeah, so your connections are going to be here, nice and separated from the rest of your storage. Your electronic leveling systems up here.
Oh, I love the light all the way across.
Yeah,
that's cool.
So you have nice LED lights in here. Of course, there's your giant 50 amp cable.
Wow.
Yeah, very nice.
Tankless water heater.
And you've got a dump area right here. Now we will tell you right up front, this is going to have cable driven slides all the way around, so if that's a concern, that's something you might want to think about. Looking down here, you're not going to have the upgraded suspension on this one, so that's something else to keep in mind. On the back, you do have a ladder already in place. It is prepped for a backup camera. The power is going to plug in there.
Oh, we're right up against the highway.
We are up against the highway. It's a little bit noisy today. You are going to have towing capacity. Just be really careful anytime you add something to the back. Now this particular unit already has slide toppers in place, so that is a very big plus. You are going to have a couple of power awnings. The first one up front,
I think it's 13, and I think 13. This one's going to be close to 10.
Yeah, they didn't give us the dimensions on this one. We think it's 10, but you do have a cable power, and you already have a TV mount, and your speakers are down low.
Down low, I like that.
They make sense. Okay, and here's the other side of your storage. Again, actually, pretty good storage in here. Got a plug in. And there's your lights, light switch for your LED strip in here. And your other propane bottles back here. So, yeah.
Wind's blowing.
Wind's blowing. So, let's go inside and take a look.
It's messing up your hair.
It is. My hair looks crazy right now.
Okay. Now, we pulled all the shades to show off
the accent lighting.
The accent lighting. Wow.
Yeah, I actually think when we showed this about 3 years ago, I think the accent lighting was actually in your slide casings. Mm-hmm. And now it's right here around the edges of your solid surface countertops. That just looks so awesome. Okay.
All right, we'll start back here.
Yes, I was distracted by lights. So, here we are on your, I would call this your coffee bar. Awesome storage up here. They gave you a light. You have a tower of power. This is solid surface with that really neat accent lighting. You've got the drawers here. Some more drawers. Cabinet storage. Now your fuses are going to be right at the end of this. Wow, that's just amazing.
Wow.
And you should make sure you close it before you stand up. You're going to have a side-by-side residential style fridge. Here in the middle is your island, and again, solid surface. I love they give you a towel bar here at the end. Your heating is going to actually be in your cabinetry. It's not in the floor on this. You have another plug-in over here. Drawers on this side. Lots of good space underneath your sink. They give you 2 garbage cans. And you know, we call this the swanky sink. We love it. It's got the cup washer, cutting board. You've got the waterfall feature, soap dispenser. You name it, it'll almost wash dishes for you. Almost. Right back here, you're gonna have your microwave with some storage up above it.
Nice, that's a big one.
Yeah, it's a big microwave. 3-burner cooktop and an oven. Another tower of power, and there is solid surface around your stove also. So nice big drawer underneath that matches. And this cabinet right here, I would put my baking sheets in it.
Oh yeah.
That just seems like a great place for that. Right next to this, you are going to have a pantry that has really nice lighting, adjustable shelves, and this is metal. This is not plastic. I've seen the ones that are plastic, and I'm pretty sure that those don't hold up well. But
it's got its own.
But those are metal, so that is awesome. Moving right on down is going to be your entertainment center. Some good storage up above it.
Above it.
This looks like a 50-inch TV, if
Yep.
I'm just guessing, because we forgot to bring our measuring tape, but that's okay. You're going to have a radio right below it, an open space to store your remotes, and a nice big electric fireplace. Again, your heating is down there in your cabinetry. Now, at the back is going to be a sofa that will make into additional sleeping area. You've got end tables on both sides, power and USB on both sides, and
huge
look at this
window.
Big old window. Then you've got all this storage across the top.
Yes.
So yeah, I mean, it's just really nicely done. And again, the Astoria, their interior colors have changed since the one that we showed way back when. You have AC unit right up here. Now your front slide, you're going to have theater seating, cup holders, nice big storage spot there. And this is going to have a leather-like finish to it. They're going to have parachute pulls on those recliners. Your freestanding table, you're going to have 2 chairs on it. And then you're going to have a storage ottoman on the other side.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so, yeah. Oh, that's the back.
Yeah.
So yeah, if you want to put the back, you can attach it up there. You can leave it right there. You can pull this out, use it as an ottoman around your sofa.
And these big
And
windows.
then, I mean, look how big this window is. So
lets in so much light.
yeah, and you can sit there in the mornings, drink your coffee.
Yep.
I don't know if anybody reads the paper anymore, but look at your phone. And,
Facebook.
Yeah, all kinds of fun stuff. All right, let's move up the stairs here. Of course, your control panel is here with your water heater and your switches. Now, guys, this bathroom it's pretty nice. Now, this is not a medicine cabinet, but that is a huge, huge mirror.
It's back.
Yeah, it does have, it's backlit.
Yep.
You have 2 sinks, lots of counter space. So, you know, sometimes when you have 2 sinks, you lose some counter space, but not this time. You do have a plug-in right in between, and you're actually able to get those doors open under that one.
Yep.
And you're still going to be able to stand up and access both sinks. I mean, yeah. I mean, you have a window in here. They give you a towel hook right up there. This does have a porcelain foot flush toilet. I don't think anybody's legs are long enough to reach the door.
You never know.
If you are, I would like to meet you because that's going to be weird. Anyway, moving along. Giant shower. Now there's a lot of antifreeze in this one, so we're not going to stand in it, but obviously you can tell you're going to have really good headroom in there. A little bit of a smaller fan. I wish they had put a bigger fan in it, but that's okay. And you have storage here, and we're going to give this one the golden plunger. I'm going to tell you, it barely made it because this is not a real linen closet, but at least they do give you a place to put your towels.
Yeah.
So we're going to give this one the golden plunger because this is actually a very nice,
really cool,
very nice bathroom. Okay, here in your main bedroom, you're going to have a king size bed that's on the side. Nice headboard. They do give you some reading lights up there. You also have the overhead lights. You've got blackout shades on both of these windows. You have these shelves on both sides. USB on both sides. And underneath the bed, you've got some storage.
Nice storage.
Now there's going to be a plug-in on over here on this side. I don't think there's one on this side. I don't see one. You have a second AC unit in here. And at the foot of the bed, you have got a dresser with 2 big drawers and 2 smaller drawers. There is a 32-inch TV already in place in this one. I'm trying to remember. Did I mention the second AC? Well, if I didn't, there it is. Okay, now I'm going to change places here.
Yeah, because I think this jump box is about to go.
Yeah, we're getting a little bit dim in here. Here is where you're going to have hookups for a combo washer dryer, and then there is storage up above it. We'll open the blinds so we can let some extra light in. And then at the very front, you have got 2 sliding doors.
Nice closet.
Yeah, nice closet. Got a shelf with a hanging rack, and there is a plug-in in there. So if you have vacuum cleaners or something you want to plug in. Very well.
Wow.
Now this also is not, this is a mid-pro, but now Jeremy's 6
all the way
feet
at the front.
and he's right at the front. So, you know, even for a mid-pro, this has got really good headroom in it.
All right, everybody, if you like this Dutchmen Astoria, the dealership's information will be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.